What's the hardest part of your role, which nobody warned you about?
The hardest part is to balance academics with duties because in day to day assembly and celebrations, we are assigned certain tasks, and this results in foregoing our lectures, and it becomes difficult to balance academics with duties.
Sometimes we have to be rude with our friends to implement school rules and discipline. So yeah, it is painful sometimes.
What's the one misconception students have about the student leaders?
Many students think that the head boy and head girl are perfect at everything like studies, academics, and extracurricular activities, but it's not like that.
Who is more likely to laugh at a serious situation?
Both of them.
Why?
आते हैं भाई हम क्या
Welcome to Beyond the Bell, the podcast by Oranges International School, where we go beyond the classroom, beyond the textbook, and beyond the bell. This episode got delayed because we had exams and investor ceremony.
And today we are joined by two exceptional student leaders, our head boy Ibad Mirza and our head girl Aishal Zikra. And I would like to congratulate both of them for being re-elected.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank
So,
Thank you for inviting us.
so let's start our podcast. How did you both feel when you were announced as head boy and head girl?
First, we were nervous, but when we heard our names as head boy and head girl, we felt so proud and excited for our new responsibilities.
What does being head boy and head girl really mean to you beyond the badge and blazer?
Yeah, it is a very big responsibility where we have to treat everyone equally and with equal respect.
And we have to be perfect at everything because our juniors look up to us as their role models.
Is it really that hard?
Yes, it is.
Okay. What's the hardest part of your role, which nobody warned you about?
The hardest part is to balance academics with duties because in day to day assembly and in celebrations, we are assigned certain tasks, and this results in foregoing our lectures, and it becomes difficult to balance academics with duties.
Sometimes we have to be rude with our friends to implement school rules and discipline. So yeah, it is painful sometimes.
Is it really so?
Yeah, really. Why would I lie?
Do you feel your friends treat you differently now? How do you manage that dynamic?
Yes, only a few of them hesitate, rest expect leniency from us.
As I said earlier, it is very difficult to be a school leader and a friend at the same time.
So, let me ask you some fun questions, which are like, who is your favorite character from any series or movie?
My favorite character is Steve Harrington from Stranger Things.
What about you, Ishit?
And I'm not interested in movies and series.
Actually, Steve Harrington is also my favorite from Stranger Things.
Great character.
Yes. Or like, what is your favorite hobby or something like that?
Doing workout.
Spending time with my friends.
Seriously? Who's your favorite influencer?
Mr. Beast.
Bhuvan Bam.
Both are the best.
So let's move to another segment of the podcast, which is who is more likely to.
Who is more likely to miss an important meeting?
Both of us.
Who can give a speech without any preparation?
I cannot.
I can give. I have given many times.
Okay, who is more organized?
Both of us.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, really?
Who is more popular among juniors?
Hi.
Yes.
Okay. And who is more dramatic?
Asian.
I agree
She
with
is
that.
really dramatic.
I also agree with that.
All of us agree.
Yes.
Who is more likely to enjoy being on stage?
Both of us.
Both.
That's true.
Yes. Okay. Who is more likely to laugh at a serious situation?
Both of us.
Why?
आती है भाई हम क्या करें?
So, what is the one misconception students have about the student leaders?
Many students think that the head boy and head girl are perfect at everything like studies, academics, and extracurricular activities, but it's not like that.
These things help us in our candidature and ultimately we won by the number of votes we get in our elections, right?
Yes. You actually got so many votes.
Yeah, especially I.
Yes.
So, what would you say in your leadership style and has it changed over time?
Initially, we were very strict and straightforward, but gradually we turned more empathetic and patient towards the schoolmates.
That's true.
If a younger student asked you how to become head boy or head girl, what advice would you give him?
One should be disciplined,
And be visible.
and you should take part in extracurricular activities.
Have you taken that?
Yeah, I have
Yes.
taken many.
So, how do you both divide your responsibilities?
By consultation and discussion.
Yes.
Have you ever disagreed with each other?
So you will answer this or should I? So we have never disagreed with each other at any point of time because we both are very cooperative with each other.
Yeah, we hardly disagreed because most of the time our opinions matches.
That's true. So, what was your most embarrassing moment?
When I was announced as head girl second time on this Independence Day, ma'am said me to say few words like you are elected second time, so just say few words about it. So I was not well at the time and I just took it so seriously and I literally said two words. Thank you. That's all.
And what about you, Badri?
The same thing happened with me on the same day. I just fumbled at the stage.
Tell us your two weakness and two strengths.
I am so shy and I'm an introvert. So that's my negative point.
And what's your strength?
I think that I'm so hardworking and I always try to do everything so perfect.
My weakness is sometimes I go overconfident and I take things casually. And my strength is I'm confident and I love to take challenges.
So, before ending our podcast, let's move to the rapid fire round.
Morning person or night owl?
Morning person.
Night owl.
Are you active on your social media platform?
Yes, I am active.
Not that much.
I am very much active.
What is your favorite series?
Stranger Things.
I'm not interested in series and movies.
Why not?
She seems very boring.
Yes. Thank you guys for joining us on the Beyond.
Keep leading, keep listening, and keep believing that every voice has a story.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you to our listeners. Stay tuned as we bring you more stories from Oranges International School.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Beyond.